Good afternoon. Hello. How are you? How are you feeling? We are back to we are back to it. Hi Shabi Lalani, how are you? How you feeling? Hello, how are you? Uh hey, how are you? Someone's good. Oh, you're doing good. Okay. Good afternoon, Mike Johnson. How are you? Okay, so we want to talk about the latest immigration news. What's going on with immigration? As far as I know, we have a lot going on. So I want to first of all share my screen so we can talk about the latest immigration news. What is going on? What is going on with I-130 petitions? What's going on with visas petitions? Um, good. Okay, that's good. Okay, what's going on? By the way, please like, please share so we can get right into the subject. Last time you did well, you did share a lot. I want you to be sharing again this time around so I can first of all answer your questions. But I want to talk about the latest immigration first before I start taking questions. Okay. Okay, so let me share my screen so we can get started. Let me share my screen so we can get started. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we have how many policy? We have 78 policy actions as of today, January 27, 2025. You know, this new administration, every day they have something, something, something. What's going on with I-130? POTUS, the President of the United States, okay? POTUS orders visa sanction and travel ban on certain Colombian nationals, okay? Yeah, because what happened was the deportation airplane was trying to land in Colombia, and I guess Colombia didn't want to take their own people, and that resulted in sanctions and the ban. So let's go over it. Report that in response to Colombia's refusal to accept the return of two planes carrying Colombia nationals removed from the United States, Trump ordered visa sanction, including revocation and travel ban on certain Colombian nationals. So pretty much, yeah, because they refused to take their own people. Now, all the I-130 petition, almost all, right? I-130 petition, visa petition, it's just there. They're not going to process any visa. That's why I put the title, What's Going On with Visas, I-130 Petitions. And then Colombia too. Yeah, that's what Colombia too. I guess Colombia too is going to do their tariff on American product. Yeah, it's like a mess, okay? So Trump says he will retaliate with tariffs, travel ban, sanctions, okay? Mexico also refused to authorize a U.S. military deportation aircraft. Trump immigration crackdown, tension in Latin America. Brazil condemned U.S. handcuffing of migrants on deportation flights. Okay. Yeah, they're gonna impose 25% tariff on goods coming into the United States, which will go up to 50% in the week. Yeah, so that's the first news. Travel ban and visas ban for Colombian nationals, certain Colombian nationals. This we already find it. Propaganda is expanded. This we already know. Okay. Second news, U.S. pauses multiple parole program for migrant. What's going to happen for people on parole, humanitarian parole? If you were on humanitarian parole, now that it's done, pretty much over, right? So what are you going to do? If you have a valid claim for asylum, this is the time to file it for it, okay? USCIS has reportedly paused multiple parole programs that facilitated the temporary arrival of migrants into the United States. It's required to stop to all final decision on application for this program, affecting immigrants from countries including Ukraine, Cuba, Haiti, Venezuela, and Nicaragua, while the administration reviews the program and decides whether to terminate them. The affected policy includes, at the very least, uniting for Ukraine, Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela parole process, family reunification parole program, and Central American minors parole. So yeah, parole is gone. I need to stop here first to take some questions, then I'll go back to the other news. So far, two news, right? Travel ban and visa sanctions for Colombian nationals, certain Colombian nationals. That's why they're pausing their applications, their I-130 petition, their visa petition on pause, because Colombia, they refuse to take their own people, okay? And they're gonna get some tariff, taxes and stuff like that too. How are you doing today? We're doing good. Okay, we have a question here. Hi, my spouse received the online access code for the I-130, but we didn't receive the access online code for the I-145 and I-160 adjustment. Working. You can call them. Yeah, you can call them. Just call them and try to find out why you didn't receive that. They might send it to you. Okay. I just came back from Africa last Saturday. Oh, good. Nice to hear that. How much to return you to reopen the case with the judge? First of all, you need to schedule a consultation. I can't just quote you when I don't even know what's going on with the case, whether we're going to take it or not. Yeah, you need to schedule a consultation. Let me just put the consultation link here. Because right now, ICE is not taking those PD requests. It's canceled, right? So if you want to reopen directly with the judge, we have to assess the case and figure out whether it's worth it anyway to even try. So that's the consultation link right there, Tom Mwanza. I have a bona fide AD. Any problem with Trump policy? Oh, I don't understand the question. You have a bona fide AD for U visa? I didn't hear anything affecting U visa work permit. I did not hear anything like that. Oh, you think Colombia finally agreed to take back their deported? Oh, okay. I guess because of the visa sanctions, Trump is doing it. Oh my God, Trump is really doing it, right? I guess I didn't hear the latest news. White Chanel, where did you get the news? Can you put it down here? Maybe we can go over it because I'm going over the report with what came, you know. So yeah, thank you for support. You're welcome. Yes. Okay. U visa. I did not hear anything affecting work permits under U visa as of so far, right? I did not hear anything. Okay. Has the only memo been canceled? Yes, was canceled. It was already canceled. Mandatory interview, yeah, it might affect because they're trying to interview pretty much everybody. I just got a letter for the interview um, in Georgia for a green card based on marriage. I don't even see why they want the interview, but I guess because it's mandatory interview. So they just interviewing everybody. Oh, New York Times reported that. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'll double check on that. So let's see again here. Okay. So let me go back to the news and see what else we have. The immigration news, of course, right? Um, yeah, we talked about two things, right? Cancellation of visa for Colombia nationals if they don't take their people. Then we have a parole, humanitarian parole has been placed on pause. Um, Resettlement agency, they canceled their visas as well and the flights. Refugees, remember, resettlement, basically those people have already been vetted to come to the United States as refugees, but when Trump got into power, he canceled that resettlement program until further notice. So basically flights canceled, everything canceled. They kind of like a travel ban in a way, right? They can't get here. POTUS order federal employees to report colleague. Oh Lord, it's crazy. What else we have here? Okay. I'm trying to find out what we haven't talked about so far, but I feel like we already talked about the major stuff. I'm gonna go back again. Yeah, let me see here. Yeah, parole. Okay, call for significant. Yeah, the parole program is on pause for Cuban, Haiti, Nicaragua, Venezuela. Okay. Um, yeah, that's the one that it has been put on pause. What else we have here? Uh, oh, I think this one might be good. But that one already, that memo was already done. Okay. Yes. Let me get to questions first, then go back to that again. Do you do consultation Saturdays? No, I don't do consultation Saturdays. Why? You only have Saturdays? My consultation are on Zoom. You can do it on the day that I'm available there. It's on Zoom. You can do it even during your break time. So you don't have to physically come to the office for a consultation. Okay? Yeah, just schedule it so we can talk about it. Okay, how long is the current process of adjustment of status? Let me guess, I'm currently close to 4 months mark now. Adjustment status, underemployment. I'm not sure. You're just gonna have to go on processing time and look at your specific city and see. For marriage, depend, right? The 10 years, it takes too long, but for the 2 years, the latest we had was like 4 months. But for the regular green card, for the 10 years green card, it's taking like, for marriage, it's taking like 2 years, and parents almost 2 years and a half here in the Baltimore area. I-130, please. What about it? Yeah, what's going on with it? It's taking, first of all, too long, right? And somebody was asking me a question about whether or not they're canceling I-130 for Afghanistan nationals. I did not hear anything about it. What I heard, the news is that they cancel visas for Colombian nationals because they refuse to get their own people. But I'm learning from you here that they started to take their own people. So I guess that it's gonna go back to normal if they take their people. It's like, if you take your people, I will process the visa. If you don't take your people, we cancel the visas. So a member of my family marry U.S. citizen. They apply to renew any TPS and travel document for the person. What should they do to adjust that if they're supposed to work? They came without inspection. If they came without inspection, they have to travel on parole. I mean, TPS travel document, come back method to meet their parole, to be paroled back in, so that way they can adjust status. If they came without inspection, but if they came with visa, they are not in removal proceedings, then there's nothing to worry about, right? Faith Agib. Hello, how are you? How are you, Faith? How are you feeling? Please explain what's going. Yes. What's going on is that they did cancel some applications for Colombian nationals. Why? Because remember, two planes with Colombian nationals, they deported them back to Colombia, but Colombia refused to take their people. That's why this new administration, the Trump administration, canceled their visas, basically canceled their I-130 applications, canceled everything. They didn't process anything for them. That's the sanction until they start taking back their people. Okay, that's what's going on. And then there's the processing time is too long. And somebody else was talking about I-130 not being processed for national Afghan nationals, but that's, I'm not sure. I did not hear that. The only news we had was for Colombia, specifically Colombia. My case is the National Benefit Center. They don't have metrics for NBC in the website. They only have for field office cities. But if they rationale, if you want to just know the estimate, just go with your city, because if they're gonna have an interview, they're gonna transfer your case back to your city. Just go with the city or the city that is close to your city. That way you have an idea on, how long it's gonna take. That's all. I filed for PIP Biden parole in place, was returned to my account after Donald Trump took. Yes, because that PIP program was already canceled. Remember, the judge in Texas said that it was illegal. So that PIP program was already canceled. That's why they sent the money back. Bad. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah. Yeah, keeping family together is already done. That's that's like old story. Remember the judge in Texas? He said that PIP it's illegal. They cancel it. That's why they're refunding everybody their money back. So don't worry about that because it's already over. That was over a long time ago. So this is a new administration. They came without inspection, but they still don't send the new TPS to them. Yeah, if they came without inspection, and if they cannot travel on TPS travel document, then there's nothing they can do. They cannot adjust status. So they have to figure out a way to get TPS granted and get travel document under TPS, then make the trip outside and come back. That's what we did that for a lot of people. Patricia Stephan, if you marry a U.S. citizen and your case is pending and you are not in removal proceedings, then you should be fine. There's nothing to worry about. And got married. Oh, you were F1 student and just got married. Yeah. If as long as you're not in removal, I mean you don't have removal order, then you should be fine, right? Oh, so confused. Oh, you were confused about the 580? Yeah, that program was, unfortunately, that program was canceled a long time ago. So they just start refunding people's money. Yeah, you're based in Maryland. Yeah, you have to go with Maryland because that's where if you're gonna have the interview is gonna be in Maryland. So if they do an interview, of course, but if they don't do an interview, then yeah, I don't know. But in Maryland, marriage, uh, if they're gonna give you like a 10 years green card, it's taking too long. It's taking at least 2 years. That's the minimum for Baltimore. Can Trump end VAWA and U visa? I don't think so because VAWA is law. VAWA is like law passed by Congress. It's not just like a policy. You see, it's a law. So it's not gonna, but they're just gonna have a lot of scrutiny on it, like vetting cases and making interviews to find out fraud and all that. But canceling VAWA, I don't think so. And U visa, I don't think so either. They're just gonna make it hard for someone to win if you don't have a lot of proof. Faith Agbidi. Faith Agbidi. Okay, this is the thing, right? What they're saying is that priority are people who have who pose a threat to national security, public safety, um, what else? National security, public safety, recent arrivals, less than 2 years, then people with existing order of removal. That's priority, okay? If you don't have order of removal, you shouldn't be concerned about that, okay? Because there's no way for them to go after you if you don't have order of removal. Unless you get in trouble with the law, which you have to stay out of trouble with the law, right? Okay, we have a question here on IG. If you are here 1 year, are you removable? According to this new guidance? The simple answer is yes, without hearing. So if the person came into without inspection, of course, that's how it reads, right? Into without inspection, less than 1 year, yes, expedite the removal, which means without court hearing. So no, F1 visa, no. What they're gonna do, try to do, is the travel ban for certain Muslim country. It's gonna come within 60 days. So basically, he got here on January 20th, okay, February or March 20th, we'll have the list. They come up with a list of the country that they're trying to ban from entering, like, the Muslim ban, kind of like that. Can Trump end birth citizenship? Well, that's what he tried to do. It's in court now. There's litigation for that. If the spouse going into military, then they can try the PIP for military family. Yeah, they can try that, and if it's approved, then they can adjust status, provided that the person is not in removal, right? If someone has court in 20, it should be no, that's too far away. Release Maluma, that's way too far. At the border, they inspect me before they give me NTA. Okay, that's just gonna depend on ICE. Okay, Paco me name. It's just pretty much gonna depend on ICE. But the way the policy says, okay, the policy says that if you came without inspection, even if you were parole, they can cancel that parole because the person hasn't been here for 2 years. Uh, the person hasn't been here for more than 2 years, so they can initiate expedite removal and even cancel parole. So it's just gonna depend on ICE at this point. Okay. Okay, thanks. You're welcome. Yeah, because to 2028 is way too far. It's way too far. I don't see why a person would be concerned at this point. I'm trying to see something here. Oh, hold on. Oh, ICE is still considering those motion. I thought this was done. They're still doing this? Okay. This is good news. I thought this thing was already done on January 19. I guess it's a new policy. Yeah, they're still doing it. Okay. Let me share my screen and talk about this. It's very good news. It make it harder. I mean, he can try, but is he gonna succeed? I don't think so. He can try. Hey, how are you doing? I'm good, Mama Do Wege. How are you? Oh, sorry. Wow, this is a long question. All right. Hi. If someone has a final order of removal, no status, An appeal was dismissed by BIA. I-130 is pending, but no legal status, no work permits. There a way to adjust status here in the US? The answer is you can try. But I-1 is pending. I don't think they're going to reopen your case. You have to wait for I-130 to be approved. Then try to ask ICE if they can reopen your case. Right now, I don't think they will do it. Then you can ask the court directly to see if they can reopen your case so you can adjust status after I-130 is approved. But the thing with this problem is that if I-130 is pending and they call you for the interview, chances are they might get you at the interview because of the existing order of removal. They did that under that's what they were doing under Obama. Even under Trump 1.0, they were trying to do that too. So oh my gosh, I don't know. You have a lot of questions. I don't know. Is he ending F1 visa? I don't think so. I didn't hear anything about that. Did you hear anything about that? No, I don't think so. No. His only problem is mass deportation. From fires, Justice Department official who prosecuted him. Okay. I knew he would do that. Okay. Okay, Colombia is sending a military plane to San Diego to pick up more than 100 deportees. Okay, now they're taking the people because of that sanction. Okay. Yeah, so I wanted to talk about this. Let me just share my screen. No, I don't think so. You have to be parole. Live, love, love. Adjustment of status, you have to be parole under 212D5A. If it's not that, you will never get anything as far as adjustment of status is concerned. No, I don't think they'll give you advance parole because of the final order of removal. Yeah, USCIS will not adjudicate advance parole, and ICE, they're not going to give it to you either. So, as a matter of fact, when you ask them for that, then they're just going to deport you because of final order of removal. Can you help me terminate final order of removal? While we can try. So this is the consultation link. Yeah, schedule consultation link. So sorry, schedule consultation so we can access your case and see what is possible. Okay, let me share my screen and I try to talk about this because this one is good. Okay, this is I thought this policy was over on January 19, but it's still going on. Certain temporary protected status recipient with orders of removal or deportation seeking adjustment of status with USCIS, you may ask ICE, okay, to consider joining in a joint motion to reopen proceeding to terminate your order of removal if you have if you are a TPS recipient with a removal order or deportation who travel and return with government authorization while in TPS, and you intend to apply and you have an application of adjustment status for USCIS, or USCIS has already denied you because they do not have jurisdiction. So basically, in short, right, if you have TPS and you have final order of removal and you want to adjust status, what they're saying is you can ask ICE to join motion to terminate your removal, provided that you have traveled outside and came back on parole if you enter without inspection, right? So, yeah. Yeah, this is even good if you came with inspection, but still ICE has because of order of removal, you cannot adjust status, but because of this, you can still ask ICE. They can still do it. I thought this was over on January 19, but it looks like you can still do it. That's good. You need to take advantage of this. This is really good. How do you find out if you have ever been in removal? You call the immigration court. You call the immigration court number, or you put your number. Let's see if you put it online. You can put your yeah, you just call the immigration court. I was trying to find out how to get the status online. Get status online. Yeah, just call the number. Let me see the number here. Courts, customer service. I don't even see their number. It's supposed to be here. What's going on? Interesting. Yeah, I was like, what? It's supposed to be here. Okay. Yeah, so MCK. This is the link, okay, where I put it here in the comment section where you can get put your alien number and see if you're in a court proceeding. Yeah. With this administration, can you do it? Yeah, it's just like right now, for example, right? They say that you can try to join motion for TPS holder with order of removal. That we can do. As far as just reopening a case, right now the Dolly memo is paused. So what people will usually try is just try to file directly with the court and see if the court's gonna accept that. That's it. You're welcome. John motion under Trump. Yes, it took like 2 years to get a response. Under Trump, no, it took 2 years to just get one response. Yeah, it takes forever. because at that point they don't care anymore. Yeah, but they're gonna respond if they want. They're gonna respond. I'm trying, but it's not letting me. Okay. You have VAWA pending. Okay. Yeah, you have VAWA pending. You have to wait for VAWA to be. What are you trying to do? VAWA pending. Wait for VAWA to be approved. Then you can try to join the motion. Because if you don't have anything, like even under Biden, if you don't have anything, they're not going to join. You have to show them something as to why you want them to join. When they were doing those prosecutorial discretion dismissal, when we had nothing, it's because the case was open. Then you go to court, then you ask them, well, this is not priority, can you dismiss? Then they'll dismiss it. But if the case is already closed, you have to have something solid to convince them and just hope it works. That's all you can do. Hope it works. You see? If you don't hope it works, what else? Oh Lord, what else can you do at this point? No, you can't do that because they don't have jurisdiction. The only people who can do that are arriving alien. Okay, if you are an arriving alien, okay, then you can do that. If you look at your notice to appear, it says you are arriving alien. At that point, you can file I-130, I-485, and 245I with USCIS because you're arriving alien, and USCIS has a jurisdiction regardless of order of removal, as long as the order has not been executed, meaning that they never took you out and you never left on your own. So that's when you can do that. But if you are not arriving alien, you cannot do that because it's just going to get denied and you're going to waste the money for 485. So you can only do I-130 and wait. Okay. Yeah, if you're not in removal, you should file for green card and work permit. Why you're not filing, I don't know. And for our petitioner, really, the application is free, right? For green card in terms of USCIS fees. Yes, please like, please share. We have 23 people in the house. Okay, please like, please share. Please like, please share before I stop answering questions. Yeah, please like, let's do it, folks. Let's do it. Last time you did it. Last time you really did it. You did like, you did share. I like that. So let's do it again this time around so I can come back again. Otherwise, you're going to wait for me for 1 month. Remember last time I did almost 1 month? I didn't show up here. So if you don't want to share, you don't want to like, I don't see why I should be here. I should be talking to my actual client. You know what I mean? Please like, please share. Okay? Please like, please share. Every day we have new immigration policies. Every day. New immigration policies. That's why you have to like and share so I can be encouraged to be here and deliver the news and take your questions for free. So please like, please share. Okay? Otherwise, I'll be calling you out. I'll be call. Oh my gosh, we have 78 policy actions. This is crazy. Wow. Okay, what else we have here? New comment. I got my two prima facie determination. What do you think? No request for evidence biometric data. Yeah, just wait. Prima facie, just wait. Is it for VAWA? VAWA takes forever. Yeah, just wait. Well, it doesn't matter if the person is priority, that person is priority according to this new guidance. The person who has order of removal, that person is priority. So it doesn't matter whether they join, you fail, because you, that person is automatically priority because they have order of removal and they never left. So unless they have TPS to protect them against deportation, other than that, they are priority. Yes, VAWA. Yes, you just wait. You know, it's just like the early stage. You just wait. Eventually, they'll get to your case. It's just taking too long, but you know they'll get to your case. Yeah, people who what else? What else I wanted to talk about? I just want to see if I have more news so I can just talk about it because I don't think tomorrow I'll be here. Um, I'm just checking for news, okay? Yeah, so far they arrested nine. Let's see. So far they arrested 956 undocumented immigrant. So the city where the raids are taking places, let's see what city. On Sunday, they arrested 956 people, okay? Uh, the total of arrests, 2,681 arrests. Chicago, um, that's number one. Los Angeles, Phoenix, Arizona, San Diego, Denver, Colorado, Miami, um, Atlanta, Georgia, and various cities in Texas. They're doing it too here in Maryland, um, San Juan, Puerto Rico. Yeah, so far the cities that's where ICE raids are happening. Um, in New Jersey, 75 arrests. Yeah, they're really carrying out immigration enforcement. Yeah, so what else? Yeah, Colombia refused to take the people, but now they're taking because of the sanction. Okay. So what else we have here? How safe are people with withholding of removal? They're not a priority under this new guidance. They are not priority. They should be safe for now, at least. They are not priority. Um, yeah, just go with what is the current processing term for VAWA is 40 months. almost 4 years, 3 years and a half. So they'll be renewing those prima facie, renewing until that time frame. It's pretty much almost 4 years, 3 years and a half. Oh, you're going, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Please like and share. To 400. I didn't hear any change so far. Well, the only thing you can do is joint motion. Joint motion are unlimited, okay? And then another one we do is sua sponte motion. But sua sponte motion, in order to win it, you have to be able to show extraordinary circumstances, okay? For example, let's say somebody's sick, like somebody has a cancer, and they're pretty much like going to die if they don't get medical help. So that's why you're trying to beg the court to reopen the case so that the person can get the status so they can get medical help. Those are those exceptional circumstances where the court will reopen the case sua sponte, because it's unlimited too, just like joint motion. Other than that, I don't see anything else. Some people reopen because of change of circumstances. That's for asylum seeker. They can reopen a case even after it's late. Some people can toll the status, the statute of limitation because of things that happen. That's case by case basis. But the thing is, if we just have to go with what you're saying, well, you only have two options. So I join motion because it's unlimited. Sua sponte, if you can show that there is a special, extraordinary circumstances. If there's nothing, then you're just wasting your money. Yeah, people have done it. TPS travel document, yes, people have done it. That's why we're able to adjust status for people, because people have done it, you know. Let's see. Yeah, I already told you if you need a consultation, you know, you can schedule it. I already gave you the consultation link. But if you don't need it, don't call, right? Because you still have to pay for consultation. So we already told you that if you're not in removal, you should apply for your green card and all the things together. If you didn't apply for that, you're not gonna get the work permit until the VAWA is approved. So thank you so much. You gave me hope. Yeah, you're welcome. So this is let me put my consultation link for those who need it, okay? So this is my consultation link. Those who need a consultation with me, just schedule it, okay? There's no need to be calling me because I'm already doing the live session here. If you need a consultation, just schedule it. You go online, you schedule it, then we talk about your case. 40 minutes just to talk about one case, okay? So you schedule it. Yes, yes. You better. That's right. That's right. You better consult. You better. That's right. Yeah. Because some people are making stupid mistakes. Like, really? This is a mistake that could have been prevented if you had just consult. I've told a lot of people this mistake, we could have prevented it if you had just consult, but no, you don't want it. Now you're stuck with a lot of mistakes. So, okay. You're welcome. Let me see if we have another news. Okay, so this is it. We answer pretty much all questions. People who need a consultation, just go ahead and schedule it. We'll try to come back again. Today is Monday, right? So we'll try to come back again. We just need to follow the news. If there's breaking news, or if I have a good news, let's come up with some good news. If there's breaking news or there's a good news, I might come back on Wednesday. If not, I'll come back around the end of the week. Okay. So, but meanwhile, if you can follow me on TikTok. Sometimes I break the news over there too, because it's short video. You can just do it quickly. That's it, right? Thank you very much. Please like, please share. Last time you did well. Let's keep up with that. Please like, please share. Okay. Please like, please share. Until next time. Bye-bye.